Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to forget Wi-Fi password on Poco mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting, then from here you just scroll not so much. Here is the Wi-Fi, so here you have to click on Wi-Fi. After you have been click on it, this is the connect of the Wi-Fi. It has been connected, I mean. So if you want to forget of disconnected Wi-Fi password, what you need to do is that you just click on this small arrow option, then scroll. Here is the forget network option. Just click on forget network and click on OK. So here the Wi-Fi has been disconnect and unpair. Okay. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.